Elizabeth with WTI, and if you're always looking for a good lounge wherever you are, outdoors or maybe even indoors, you need an extra seat, then check out this inflatable lounger from WEKAPO. It folds down to a very small pouch that even has a handle, so it makes it easy to carry, and once you inflate it, it is super lightweight. You can toss it around very easily. I decided to go with the fun design. This is the chocolate leaf color. I will say it's more of a maroon brown undertone. This is not designed to be machine washed. It is water resistant, so pretty much anything that you'd spill on it kind of just runs off. But you can take a nice cloth, wipe it down, and before you even put it away for storage, also make sure you wipe it down so nothing is wet. What's nice is they also provide extra tools to make it perfect. These are patches if you need to fix it. I've had mine a year and never had an issue. This is also a stake that can go right in the ground and attach to the lounger, so that way, because it's so lightweight, it won't blow away. Again, most of the time, if I'm not sitting in it, I might just throw in a heavy bag. Inflating the lounger does take a little bit of practice. It is ideal if there is some wind, because it instantly fills up with air, and you just roll it from the one end and clip it in to keep it in position. When there is no air, it does take a little bit of practice. It does have a QR code where you can watch some instruction videos. Sometimes you got to run around when it is dead air. If you want to use it at home and you just can't get it to fill up since you're indoors, you can maybe take like a blow dryer to fill it up. If you like it a little bit more stiffer, or if you like it softer, then you can unroll or re-roll it to the desired length that you want. If you're looking just to lounge in your own backyard with something that's portable and easy to store, or if you want to have everyone jealous of you at the beach, then you're gonna want to roll up with this inflatable lounger. But that's just my point of view.